Now we will see the Wabilo's center of crop origin and crops domesticated. These are all the origin, center of origin given. Opposite to that, crops domesticated. What are the crops domesticated in the particular origin of crop? See, these are all the origin, place of origin. These are all the crops domesticated. It is given in the figure 9.2, page number 240 in the book. Number 1, China, foxtail, soya bean, bamboo, onion, and crucibles were domesticated in China. Number 2, in India, rice, sugarcane, mango, orange, eggplant means potato, and sesame. They were domesticated. The origin of crops domesticated is India. On the second A, Southeast Asia, rice, banana, coconut, clove, hemp. These are all the plants that are domesticated in Southeast Asia. Third one is Central East, wheat, pea, hemp, cotton, etc. They were domesticated in the Central East. The Central East were the origin of wheat, pea, hemp, cotton, etc. The Near East, wheat plant, rye, many tropical and subtropical fruits, say for example mango fruit. The plant of mango fruit were originated in the Near East. Mediterranean place, olive, vegetables, oil yielding plants, bees, etc. They were domesticated in the place of Mediterranean. Ethiopia is the place where these plants were domesticated: wheat, barley, sesame, castor, coffee, etc. Mesoamerica. Mesoamerica means South Mexican and Central American center, collectively called Mesoamerica. In the Mesoamerica, plants domesticated: maize, wheat, sweet potato, papaya, guava, and tobacco. South America, this is the center of origin for these plants: tomato, pineapple. For the domestication of these plants, this is the center of origin, South America. 8th A, the Chilo Center. It is a place of origin for domesticating potato plant only. 8th B, the Brazilian or Paraguayan Center. Here, these plants were domesticated: groundnut, cashew nut, pineapple, peppers, rubber, etc. So these are all the Wabilo's center of crop origin, and these are all the plants, crop plants domesticated in this particular place of origin. Now we will see the organic farming, organic agriculture. Organic agriculture is always called organic farming. Or alternate form of agriculture. Organic farming is a new method of agriculture in which the chemicals are not used. In olden days, agriculture was practiced by using chemical manure, chemical fertilizer, chemical insecticide. By using these things, the agriculture was carried out. But now, instead of using chemical fertilizer, chemical pesticide, chemical insecticide, natural form of manure, natural form of pesticide, natural form of insecticide are used for agriculture. That system of agriculture is the organic farming, organic form of agriculture. It is organic agriculture. When the agriculture is carried out without any chemical substance that will pollute the soil, that will pollute the air, that will pollute the land, etc., etc. By avoiding these things, when agriculture is proceed, that is organic agriculture. In the organic agriculture, the soil is protected, the environment is protected, the peoples are protected without any harm. In the organic agriculture, the organic agriculture mainly depends on ecological process, biodiversity, and adapted to the cycles of the local environment. So the organic agriculture is the eco-friendly agriculture. Which will not pollute the environment, which will not pollute the water which is irrigating to the field of the land, and that is the organic agriculture. Nowadays, many methods are followed, many new technologies are followed in order to increase the crop field, in order to increase the crop yield, not field, increase the crop yield. Crop yield will be more by adopting these organic agriculture, and very good nutritious food materials we get by means of organic agriculture. So that is organic agriculture. In simple, we want to say organic agriculture means it is a natural method of agriculture, not using any chemical substance which will pollute the soil, which will pollute the environment, whole environment of the agriculture, and also the people involved in agriculture. This is organic farming.